How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your Xbox Series X, S, or Xbox One. Now, it's going to be the same for all of the Xbox version. We are inside the official Turtle Beach article in order to do this. Well, first things first, we want to connect the wireless transmitter. This is going to be the USB dongle from your device, and you just want to plug this onto your Xbox port itself. And of course, you want to press and hold the power button on your headset to make sure that the headset is turned on. The LED lights will show up after basically turning on your device. Right after, we just want to make sure that the headset is on the wireless mode option. The headset must be in wireless mode in order to pair to the transmitter itself. If the Bluetooth is on Bluetooth mode, it will not pair to the transmitter, even if the transmitter is connected to the console and the setup process is performed. So basically in here, if the LED is on the green color, your headset is in wireless mode, so you have to keep that in mind. But if the LED is on blue color, it means that it's on Bluetooth mode. So you just want to press this specific button, which is going to be the quick switch button to the headset. From there, just make sure that the color is green once again. Once the headset is confirmed to be in wireless mode, the LED on the headset is double blinking green. Just wait for the headset and USB wireless transmitter to pair, and then the LED lights will indicate that it has been successful pairing if the blinking light has disappeared. And so that's everything you need to know in order to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your Xbox devices. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.